Phooey, only $1. Your weight in coleslaw, $3. Sticky buns by the tons, $2.50. Still too much. All the eggs you can eat, $1. Now that's for me. Say, Bub, who do I talk to about getting some eggs?
Oh, hello, you. That would be me. I'm the operator of this here establishment. Ribbit. Ribbit, now, if you want them eggs, you skedaddle into the barn here. You can have all the eggs you can carry. Yes, sirree.
Best in dozen. Yummiest yolk. Most likely to be scrambled. Hi there. Hey, I paid at the door, and it's all you can carry. Hey, what's the matter with you? I said I paid and I want my money's worth. Ouch! Ow, Egg schmegs. I'll give you something to cluck about.
Oh, my darling, oh, my darling, oh, my darling, Attila the hen. I heard your eggs are truly amazing. Had to meet you, see how you been. Hey there, Feather Pie. I'm Booster, the giant rooster. Yeah, I'm just an old country rooster, looking for a nest to share with a champion egg layer like you, my little chickadee. How's about sweets for a sweetie? Yeah, now we're getting somewhere. One custom-made nest cozy to keep those little champ's ears warm, Mama. Now come on out here so I can meet you beak to beak.
Gotcha! Time to get her where it hurts. Ooh, the fair's coming early this year, so I've come to pick out your best egg for entry in competition. We got a lot of big eggs this year. Don't know if yours are gonna qualify. Maybe. Possibly. Yeah, if you're lucky. Could be. I'll have to take these for an official review. If you don't hear from us, it's because there were bigger, better eggs out there. Now that's a prize winner. Like I always say, why sweat the smaller stuff? When it comes to breakfast, bigger is always better.
Oh, boy. In all the years me and Mort been doing this, you're the first one to get an egg. And that's some egg. What's the secret?
Well, fellas, sometimes you gotta break a few eggs to make an omelet.
So what, say maybe you'd like a chance at a free side of bacon?
Bacon. I'll just take my egg and scramble.
Yeah.